remind you of the 3 things that you have to remember during an earthquake. Number 1. Drop. Drop down on your hands and knees to protect yourselves from falling objects. Number 2. Cover. Cover your entire body, especially your head and your neck, under a sturdy table or against an inside wall. And number 3. Hold. Hold on to your shelter and be prepared to move with it if the shaking shifts it around. Again, drop, cover, and hold. So take a look at this.
Mga hula ng balita. Bulag, nagdilim ang paningin, nanaksak, kahanang walang hagdan, inakyat ng akat bahay ka. Buntis sinaksak, sanggol, nakailag, bading, umawat sa away, napasubo.
Ano ba itong mga balitan to? Puro kalokohan.
Patuloy pa rin ang paghahanap sa 5 bata na natabunan umano sa pagguho sa Sagbayan, Bohol, ng magkalindol sa Central Visayas. Para sa latest may report si Benji Durango live mula sa Bohol. Benji.
May lindol na naman. Delikado. Baka malibing tayo ng buhay. Ano kaya mga dapat kong i-prepare? Tsaka na yan. Diskarte ko na lang muna si Cupcake. Hey, Cupcake! Busy much, ha? Alam mo, ang ganda ng salamin mo. Pugad ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto tumira ng puso ko sa iyo, eh. Smile naman, oh. Wow, ganda naman ng smile mo. Lindol ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi niyayanig mo yung puso ko, eh. Ayan, ha? At least, nararamdaman mo yung yanig ng puso ko.
Hay! Lumilindol! Hay! Lumilindol!
Halika, punta ka dito, lumilindol!
Concern much.
See, I told you! Stay in a safe location until the earthquake is over.
Cupcake, bintana ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi parati kang dumudungaw sa puso ko.
Naku, lumilindol na naman. May aftershock. Halika, alis tayo dito. Baka mabasag yung salamin.
Also, stay away from glass windows and doors because it could easily break to avoid any injury. Remember that the safest place during an earthquake to protect you are solid inside walls and hallways.
Hey, Cupcake! Come to Papa!
It is a big no-no to use the elevator during an earthquake.
Ano ka ba? Delikado mag-elevator after the earthquake. Halika, mag-stairs na lang tayo.
Cholesterol ka ba?
Bakit?
Tuwing naiisip kita eh, bumabara ka sa puso ko.
Puro kalokohan. Halika na.
It is always safer to use the stairs during an earthquake. It could also help you burn some calories. Make sure that you also know where your exit points and evacuation areas are, okay? So, now you know what you have to do during an earthquake, right? Always remember, drop, cover, and hold. Ciao!
I've only known him a week or so, yet he's brought about a change. He's placed a magic spell on me, and I just